Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the fourth and the last method of making magnet from magnetic material. We have discussed the three methods in the last lecture, and the one is remaining that will be discussed here, that is called electrical method. In electrical method, basically we have iron bar and a piece of wire is wound around this iron bar. So when the current flow through the wire, it will create a magnetic field around the wire. This wire is connected with the battery, so the current will flow around through the conductor wire, and magnetic field will be created around the wire. Now this magnetic field of the wire arrange the atoms of iron bar in a specific direction, or we can say that when the current flows through the wire, the atoms of the iron bar are lines up in a straight line. When the atoms are arranged in a straight line or in a specific direction, then the iron bar will act like a magnet. So in this method, the atoms of the iron bars are arranged by means of electricity. So this method is called electrical method. We have discussed the four methods of making a magnet from magnetic material. Now we will discuss that how the magnetism of these magnets can be lost. The magnetism of these magnets can be lost by two ways. The first one is strongly hammered, or the second one is heated. Means when we strike the magnet strongly with a hammer, then its magnetism will be lost, or we heat the magnets by providing heat to them or increasing their temperatures, their magnetism will also be lost. So this was all about the making a magnet and demagnetizing these magnets. Now we will come to another small topic, that is electromagnet. Electromagnet is basically a type of a magnet which is formed by electricity. Here we have, like here you can see in this figure, and we have an iron bar and a piece of wire is wound around this iron bar. So when the current flow through the wire, it produces magnetic field around the wire, and that magnetic field arranges the atoms of the iron bar in a specific direction, and this iron bar is now converted into a magnet. This magnet is called electromagnet because it is formed with the help of electricity. So this magnet is called electromagnet. The definition of the electromagnet is written here. When we want a piece of wire around an iron bar and connect it to a battery, so the current will flow through the wire and the iron bar will be converted into a magnet. This magnet is called electromagnet. Like here I told you, we can also have we have these figures here. This is a iron bar. When it is not magnetized, mean when it is not converted into a magnet, you can see the atoms of this iron bar are arranged in every direction. They will move in every direction. Their electrons will move in every direction. So when the wire is wound around the magnet and the electric current flow through the wire, so it will produce magnetic field, and this magnetic field will lines up the atoms in a straight line, or you can see these atoms are arranged in a specific direction. So the atoms, when the atoms are arranged, this iron bar is converted into a magnet and called electromagnet. This procedure is written here in the whiteboard. You can see, you can read it from here. Now I will tell you another point about the electromagnets that is very important in discussing the electromagnets, that the magnetism of these electromagnets can be controlled by controlling the electricity. For that reason, they have a very wide usage in our daily life. For example, in tape recorders, we use electromagnets because their magnetism is controlled by controlling the electricity. And another usage in our daily life is doorbells. You have seen the doorbells which is present at any corner or outside of the door. When we ring that bell, so the people or the person or the house owner can hear that inside the house. So there we also use an electromagnet. There are more usage of the electromagnets. So dear students, this was our today lecture. If you have any question, you can ask in comment below. Till next session, have a good time and take care of your health.